have my own business. I'm a Jeunesse independent distributor. It's health and fitness shakes that I distribute and an anti-aging skincare line. And I also work at a salon on weekends because I'm, all about cosmetics and a hairstylist. So I balance that. I do go to the gym and I balance raising my sons, and I do this alone. And I'm proud to say that it's the most rewarding job that you could ever do. And my story, the reason why I want to share it is, if there's women out there that just feel maybe lost or alone, I want them to know that anything is possible. If you just put yourself first, you could do anything. You know, if you need the help, reach out for the help, and don't be embarrassed to reach out to those who are around you and love you and that can support you. If you do feel alone, there's a lot of help centers or self-help books you could take, connect in with your church, anything that you need to do to pull yourself back up. I do a blog. My website is www.karencarrington.com, and that's where you could purchase my products. And I also have a website where I just talk about, the daily life of the ins and outs of a single mom and traveling, and I take a lot of pictures just to inspire. So hopefully that's going to help someone else out there.
And how did it make you feel to be the winner? What was your expectation really when you were nominated? And one of the nominations was actually your son.
Yeah, my son nominated me. You know what? Sometimes we don't like to get our hopes up for things because we don't like the feeling of disappointment. But I still went to bed last night and prayed and said, I really want this. But I was shocked. I didn't want to, but I was thinking even just to be nominated was a blessing. And to know that people really think of me that way, that alone was a gift in itself. Yeah.
So for the viewers and the listeners, your website again?
www.karencarrington.com. KarenCarrington.com. And once you go to that link, you could see all my products that I distribute, my blog's attached to that, and you could shoot me an email, and I'm here to help.
And by the way, just in case you missed any of that information, I will have it right down here for you to be able to contact beautiful Karen and ask her any questions. She is definitely an example for all of us, for all of you women that are watching this show right now. Here, Woman on Fire is a fantastic event, and we're so proud of you, Karen.
Thank you.
We're so honored to have you here at the Lizzie T Show, and we wish you the greatest success. You know, you're going to be doing great. And hey, we had you first. When you go in, huge.
I'll bring you in the suitcase.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Any last word or a word of encouragement to my viewers?
I think the most thing I would want to leave people with is you could be your worst enemy. You can always get in your own way. So if opportunity doesn't knock, build your own door. Believe in yourself, make it happen. Nobody else will except you.
You heard it. Open your own doors. Make your own doors, because sometimes it does not come knocking. Right. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Have a fantastic...
Can I hug you? Yeah.